Hey everyone, it's me again, Dash. How you guys doing? Hope you had a good week. Hope it was fun and productive, and I hope it was really cool. Thanks for watching my other videos, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I just really wanted to say how grateful I am. So like this video said, I lost 23 kgs, guys. 23 kgs. Whoop whoop. It is a massive achievement for me. Last year was one of the toughest years of my life. I was overweight. I was unhappy with the way I looked, and I just lost my confidence, and I just really wasn't in a good space. And I was trying to lose weight. Nothing was happening. And so I went to seek professional help, which I think sometimes you need, guys. You can't always fix everything yourself. Sometimes you need to know if there's something wrong with you in order to get fixed. And so I went to a gynecologist, because as a woman, especially in your early 30s, it's good to see a gynecologist, get yourself checked. Make sure that you are okay, and if there's any issues and stuff like that there, I think it's best to just go and check it out and things. So what had happened was I went to a gynecologist and figured out that I have PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome. And together with PCOS, there's weight gain, there's hair loss, there's hair growth, there's mood swings. Remember, it's a hormonal disorder, pretty common among women. So if you're going through PCOS, I'm here with you, girl. I'm feeling you. I know what you're going through, and let's go through it together. After going to a gynecologist, I was instructed to go to a dietitian, which was truly one of the best decisions that I made, because going to a dietitian, getting professional help, really made a huge difference in this journey of mine. And I couldn't have done that without like good starting point, you know. Going to the dietitian, now you're getting professional help saying this is where you are and this is where you should be, and let's try and get there in a certain way. So that's what I did. I was so happy that I did that, because it was one of the best decisions I made. Got an eating plan, changed the times that I ate, the things that I ate. I really made a whole lifestyle change. Cut down my proportions of food, ate at a certain time, had a lot of water, a lot of green tea, cut down on sugar completely. So really made a lifestyle change. Had more veggies, had more fruit, took the right supplements, and 23 kgs down the line, I am now at my goal weight. I was at my goal weight 20 kgs down the line actually, but 23 is good. I'm not done as yet. In this weight loss journey, I haven't really done any exercise, so it's basically just eating properly. I know it usually is like 70% eating and like 30% exercise, but I literally did like 90% eating, like 10% exercise. So I want to go through this journey with you still. I'm still on the journey. I still need to exercise, tone up, get into shape. Although I think I have a pretty good shape, but still. So I don't have any photos to show you when I was bigger. So I thought I would do a little montage and put some of my old clothes on, show you how big they are, and I hope you enjoy it.
We're going to dance. We're going to dance and have some fun.
Dig.
The chills that you spill up my back keep me filled with satisfaction when we're done. Satisfaction of what's to come. I couldn't ask for another. No, I couldn't ask for another.
That's right.
Your groove, I do deeply dig. No walls, only the bridge. My supper dish, my succotash wish.
Sing it, baby.
I couldn't ask for another. No, I couldn't ask for another.
guys. I hope you enjoyed that. That was so fun. Just seeing how far that I've come, putting on my old clothes, seeing how big they are, and it's a good feeling. So I really want you guys to also have this good feeling if you're struggling with weight, and I'm here for you. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and see you again soon. Bye.
We're going to dance. We're going to dance. We're going to dance and have some fun.
Dig.